Hi, my name is Lokesh, and I would like to welcome you all in our career education classes. This session we are understanding about engineering domains, varieties of engineering domains, and trying to make you understand on all the domains of engineering. So first, we in our first classroom in engineering as a career, we have understood something about electrical and electronics engineering. Then mechanical and automobile engineering, then civil engineering, then environmental engineering, then aerospace engineering, then we have gone through the chemical and petroleum engineering, then we have gone through with the CSIT and software engineering, then we have understood something about, you can say, biomedical and biotechnology engineering, and in today's session we are trying to make you understand with mining engineering. What do you mean by mining engineering? So what I mean by mining engineering is mining engineering examines the viability, safety and the output potential of mines. You have to work under the ground. It's like all about mines. You can say mining engineers ensure safe, efficient development of mines and optimize extraction of ore reserves. They also carry out research and develop equipment that reduce environmental impact of mining, and closely work with geotech, surveying and metallurgy experts. So this is all about mining engineering. So they work out to extract ore from the reservoirs, or you can say which are there under the ground, and they work closely with geotech, surveying and the metallurgical experts. Now we are going to understand the career scope of mining engineering. We are trying to understand. We will be understanding each and every career scope in mining engineering. So first, so when you are going through the mining engineering, so there are a lot of career scope you can opt for. So first is consultant. Consultant conduct subsurface surveys, under the surface surveys to identify the characteristic of potential mining development sites. They specify the ground support system, process and equipment for safe, economical and environmental sound extraction or underground construction activities. They also inspect areas for unsafe geological conditions, equipment and the work conditions. So this is the role of the consultant. Okay, this is one of the career scope in mining engineering. Then production manager. Mine engineers are responsible for planning, organizing and supervising the activities of mine. They are responsible for planning future mine production, overseeing the development and the tunneling of mine and inspecting the mine for danger. Mine manager also carry out generic management duties such as hiring staff, licensing and negotiating with suppliers and contractor and other stakeholders. So these are the role of production manager. Operational manager oversee project engineering activities during the construction phase of the mine. They are responsible for facility planning, process engineering, maintenance and application of automation and advanced technology and engineering work related to project development. So this is the role of operation management. Health and safety manager analyst. Health and safety analyst support the health and safety department in the development and implementation of health and safety management system. HSMS, emergency management program and the security plan. This is role of the health and safety manager. Mine planning manager, what they do, mine planners examine mine methods and equipment to improve performance, prepare drilling and blasting strategy, develop production strategy and assist with estimating mine plan cost and the economic evaluation. This is the role of mine planner. Okay, mine ventilation engineering. So ventilation engineering, as the word defines itself, they are taking care of the ventilation under the mine. So the mine ventilation engineering ensures a steady supply of fresh and clean air for miners to work in. This means controlling heat and humidity levels that quickly can become overwhelmed inside the mines, and removing noxious gas that may come from the earth itself, as well as the carbon dioxide generated by the miners. So this is the role of mine ventilation engineer. The next career scope is mining investment analyst. Mining investment analysts develop, maintain financial models for evaluation and other purpose. They review and analyze the financial statement of private and public companies, and also assist senior members of metal and the mining team with tracking and analyzing the mineral and material commodities commodity market. That is called mining investment analysis which are related to the profit and loss and the financial aspect of the mining business. Okay, then we have petroleum engineering. Petroleum engineers are involved in nearly all the stages of oil and gas field evaluation, development and the production. Their aim is to maximize hydrocarbon recovery at minimum cost, maximize the hydrocarbon recovery in the minimum cost while maintaining the strong emphasis on reducing environmental impacts. So these are all the career scope in the field of mining engineering. So once again we'll go with all the point: consultant, production management, then operational management, health and safety management, mine planning, mine ventilation manager, ventilation engineer. Then we have mining investment analyst, and then finally we have a petroleum engineering. So some important points related to mining engineering. If you want to get into the graduation for a mining engineering or for a UG or say undergraduate, so these are the points we have to keep in mind. Most of the colleges have eligibility criteria of minimum 50% aggregate marks in class 12 and some of the minimum 60%. Some colleges, university also have an age limit. Only big university and government funded university offer this course of engineering. Therefore it gives ample scope of growth and career. This is very limited field, and very limited number of institutions provide such specialization. Now we'll be going through with some of the top engineering colleges which provide degree in mining engineering. Which are, the name of the colleges are Indian Institute of Technology Varanasi, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, Indian Institute of Technology Mandi, Indian School of Mines Dhanbad, Indian School of Technology Jaipur, Indian Institute of Technology Surathkal, you can say National Institute of Technology Nagpur, National Institute of Technology Rourkela, National Institute of Technology Raipur, West Bengal University of Technology Kolkata, ABR College of Engineering and Technology Kangri, that is in Andhra Pradesh, AKS University Satna, Madhya Pradesh, Abdul Kalam Institute of Technology and Science Khammam is in Andhra Pradesh, Aptitude Academy it's in Gujarat, Anu Bose Institute of Technology, that is in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology, that is in Udaipur, Rajasthan, Mugni Ram Bangur Memorial Engineering College, that is in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. These are some of the top engineering college which provides you degree in engineering in the mining engineering. Now we are going through with a list of engineering institution in world which provides you degree in mining engineering, which are Colorado School of Mines, it's in US, Stanford University, it's in US, University of California, Berkeley, University of Cambridge, University of Oxford, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Imperial College of London, ETZ Zurich, that is in Switzerland, Hong Kong, University of Hong Kong is in Hong Kong, University of Queensland is in Australia, University of Tokyo, that is in Japan, and California Institute of Technology, that is in USA. Now we'll go through the list of entrance examination for your UG program, and the list is joint entrance examination JEE Mains, in which takes place in month of April, joint entrance examination JEE Advanced, which takes place in May or June, Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission, that is in May, that is called BITSET, Vellore Institute of Technology and Engineering Entrance Examen, that is in month of April, University of Delhi Combined Entrance Examen DUCT, that is in June, the Consortium of Medical Engineering and Dental College of Karnataka, that is COMEDK, that is in month of May, admission test for ICFAI Science and Technology, that is ATIT, that is in month of ICFI Science and Technology, that is in month of May, SRM University Engineering Entrance Examination, that is in month of April, Manipal University online entrance examination, that is in March and April, Indraprasth University Common Entrance Examination, that is in May. Now if you want to get into more deep into technical aspect of particular field of mining engineering, you have to go for a PG, and for PG you have to give an entrance exam if you want to get into a good reputed college, and the name of entrance exam is GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, and that is takes place in month of Jan and Feb. So as usual, whenever we are going through with any field of engineering or any field of any career scope or career domain, we always go through the work description. So today in this mining engineering, as far as the work description are concerned, here are some of the pointers: design, implement and monitor the development of mines, facilities, system or the equipment. Examine maps, deposits, drilling location and or mines to determine the location, size, accessibility, values, potential profitability of mineral, oil and gas deposits. I repeat, examine maps, deposits, drilling location, mines to determine the location, size, accessibility, value and potential profitability of mineral, oil and gas deposit. Devise solution to the problem of land reclamation, water and pollution, such as method of strong excavated soil and turning exhaustive mine site into the natural state. I repeat, devise solution to the problem of land reclamation, water and air pollution, such as method of storing excavated soil and turning exhaustive mines into the natural site. Select or devise the material handling methods and equipment to transport or waste material and the mineral products efficiently and economically. Select or devise material handling method, equipment or transfer or waste material and the mineral products efficiently and economically. Test air quality to detect toxic gases. Recommend measure to remove them, and such as installation of ventilation and shaft. Conduct or indirect mining operation to test or prove test finding. Assess the commercial viability of new mining ventures. So these are some of the work description when you're working as a mining engineer. There are some advantages and disadvantages of career in mining engineering. So what are the advantages? Interesting subject to study, provide opportunity to travel in job, is rewarding in terms of money. Okay, what are the disadvantages? May have to work in hazardous condition, may have to stay away from home for long duration or period of time. Ups and downs in mineral market may affect your job security. These are the disadvantages. Okay, so here we have understood about career in mining engineering, where we have understood the basic of the mining engineering, then about the career scope of the various career scopes in mining engineering. Then we have understood about something about the important point, then all the list of integrated colleges which provides you the degree in mining engineering, and the reputed institution Penn World which provides you degree in mining engineering. Then we have gone through with the entrance examination, then we have gone through with the entrance examination for a post graduation PG in your mining engineering. Then we have gone through with some of the work description in mining engineering, and then finally we have gone through with the advantages and the disadvantage of career in mining engineering. So once again, thank you so much for a time in you have spent in understanding this particular field of engineering, and stay tuned with us. We are going to come up with a lot of classes where we are trying to make you understand about each and every aspect of career, and in this series of classes we are making you understand about the various field of engineering.